Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing Diwali makeup look. So let's get started. First I'm going to start this makeup by applying primer. I'm going to apply Wet n Wild primer and apply this on my face with my fingers. Next I will be applying Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. I'm going to apply it on my face and neck and blending it really well with the puffy brush. For the concealer, I will be using a Wet n Wild concealer and applying it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, around my mouth and on my chin. And later on, I will blend it really well. Now I'm going to set everything well by using Maybelline Compact Powder. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows and give them a nice shape by using Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Moving on to eye makeup, I will be using Wet n Wild palette here. First I'm going to pick up this shade from the palette and apply this into my crease. This will define my crease really well. I will apply it really well into my crease first, and later on I will blend it really well with the clean blending brush. This will remove any harsh lines. And for my lid, I will be applying this Revlon highlighter. Next, I am going to line my upper lash line by using Wet n Wild eyeliner. Then by using kohl pencil, I am going to tightline my waterline. To get that little smokiness, I am going to blend the kajal by using pencil brush. Then I am curling my lashes and applying generous coats of mascara to my both upper and lower lashes by using Maybelline mascara. Next I am getting that glow by applying highlighter. I am going to apply highlighter to the highest point of my cheeks, bridge of my nose, cupid bow and brow bone by using Revlon highlighter. And lastly, I will be applying Maybelline red lipstick to my lips. Here I am applying the same red lipstick as my bindi. And the look is completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and join my elephant family. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.